Beneath Naples sleeps a god of fire, Mount Vesuvius, and yet people chose to build their lives right at his feet. Even the ancient Romans believed the mountain was sacred. It brought death, but also life. Its ashes made the land richer than anywhere else. So they took the risk. They knew, where there's fire, there's also rebirth, and they built cities, temples, dreams. Today, over 1 million people live here. Every day in Naples is a gamble, between beauty and destruction. Vesuvius sleeps, but no one knows for how long. And still, Naples whispers, as long as he dreams, we dance.